How to freeze blue crabs. Step 1: Cooling the blue crabs. Let your blue crabs cool after they have been cooked before storing them in the freezer. Step 2: Blue crab portioning. If you wrap with foil paper or cling sheet 2, it will reduce the possibility of air entrance. Place the blue crabs in a large bowl. Pour milk over your crab flesh to prevent it from freezer burns. Step 3: Storage. If a blue crab is left open, its spoil rate increases, resulting in a reduction in the quality of the crab. Refrigerate or freeze your crab flesh in freezer bags. Before you close the freezer bag, press it firmly to release any trapped air that may have accumulated within. Step 4: Time to freeze. Ensure your blue crab is stored in a freezer and will not be contaminated by dirt. Let your blue crab be stored at a minimum of -15.8 degrees Fahrenheit in the freezer.